Did you know that some of the best hair care secrets are hiding under the sea? It might sound surprising, but the ocean is home to some of the most nutrient-rich foods on the planet, and one of its hidden gems could be the answer to your hair woes. Yep, I'm talking about oysters. Nature's little powerhouse that could be the key to stronger, healthier hair. These shellfish might look unassuming, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to nutrition. Oysters have been enjoyed for centuries, not just for their unique taste, but also for their incredible health benefits. But did you know they could also be your hair's new best friend? Let's dive into what makes oysters such a superstar for your hair. There's a lot more going on beneath that rough shell than you might think. These little guys are loaded with nutrients your hair absolutely craves. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your hair's health, oysters are a fantastic place to start. I'm talking about zinc, protein, and iron. These three nutrients are essential for hair growth, strength, and overall scalp health. Think of zinc as your hair's repairman. It's essential for growth and for fixing up any damage along the way. Without enough zinc, your hair follicles can weaken, leading to thinning and even hair loss. Protein. Well, since hair is pretty much made of protein, specifically keratin, getting enough keeps your hair strong and helps prevent breakage, swollen hair loss, and deficiencies can show up as dullness, breakage, or excessive shedding. So, how do oysters come into play? Let's break it down. Here's the scoop. Oysters are one of the absolute best sources of zinc you can find. In fact, just a few oysters can provide several times your daily recommended intake. That means more support for your scalp, healthier oil glands, and a boost in hair growth and repair. Zinc also helps regulate hormones that can affect hair loss, making oysters a smart choice for anyone looking to improve their hair from the inside out. The protein in oysters gives your hair the strength it needs, so you don't have to worry about easy breakage. Plus, the amino acids in oyster protein are easily absorbed by your body, making them especially effective. And if you've ever struggled with hair thinning, iron from oysters can help by improving blood flow to your scalp and nourishing your follicles. This can lead to fuller, thicker hair over time. When you put these nutrients together, it's like giving your hair a support team that works from the inside out. Oysters deliver a unique combination of vitamins and minerals that are hard to find in other foods. And the best part? Oysters are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them raw, grilled, baked, or even added to stews and soups for a delicious nutrient-packed meal. Now, you don't have to eat oysters every single day to notice the benefits. Even adding them to your diet once or twice a week can make a noticeable difference in your hair's strength and shine. Just adding them to your meals now and then can make a real difference. And if you're new to oysters, try them with a squeeze of lemon or a light vinaigrette to enhance their flavor. If oysters aren't really your thing, don't worry. There are plenty of other foods packed with zinc, protein, and iron. Think lean meats, beans, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. But oysters are one of the most concentrated sources, making them a top pick for hair health. But if you want a seafood option that checks all the boxes, oysters are tough to beat. They're low in calories, high in nutrients, and can be a luxurious treat for your taste buds and your hair. Remember, the journey to healthy hair starts with what you put into your body. Topical treatments can help, but real change comes from nourishing your hair from within. So, next time you're looking to boost your hair growth naturally, maybe give oysters a shot. You might be surprised at how much of a difference a small change in your diet can make. I'm curious, would you try oysters to help your hair look and feel its best? Or do you already include them in your diet? Let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for the support. See you in the next video.